Welcome to Finviz. In this video tutorial, we will talk about how to use Finviz in the pre-market. Want to get a head start on the trading day? With Finviz, you can monitor stock market activity before the opening bell, spot early momentum, catch top movers, find stocks to trade, monitor news headlines, and uncover your next winning trade, starting as early as 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Here are key features you can use in the pre-market. First, visit the Finviz homepage. Many Finviz users start their day on the homepage. Get a quick snapshot of the markets, top gainers, top losers, major news headlines, economic releases, and earnings announcements. You want the macro view? Check the futures. Click on futures in the top navigation bar. Get a better picture of what's going on across the markets, across the globe, and across asset classes. Here you will see live futures prices for major indices, commodities, and currencies, such as the S&P 500, NASDAQ, gold, Bitcoin, crude oil, US dollar, bonds, and much more. Use the pre-market screener. This is where the real edge begins. Access stock prices and data starting at 4 a.m. Eastern. Find stocks that match your criteria, with high volume and attractive trade setups. Scroll to the bottom of the screener and sort by change to find the top gainers and top losers, those stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market. To further narrow down your choices, choose additional filters, such as market cap and price. Let's filter out some of those penny stocks without enough liquidity. Or you can filter by exchange, index, sector, or country. Or relative volume to find stocks with big trading volume compared to their average, search for gaps, sort by after-hours change, and much more. Scan charts fast. Hover over the tickers to preview charts without leaving the page. Or switch to the screener charts to view them in a chart grid. This makes it much easier to speed read your results and quickly identify stocks that offer the strongest trends and trading setups. Monitor news headlines. Most pre-market moves are news-driven. On each stock's detail page, scroll below the chart to find the latest headlines. Focus on unusual volume spikes, earnings surprises, analyst upgrades or downgrades, catalysts moving the stock. Knowing why a stock is moving gives you the confidence to act quickly. So why use Finviz in the pre-market? With Finviz, you can get a quick overview of global markets. You can find a list of potential trading opportunities. You can screen for high probability setups, and you can find the stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market. Look at the news headlines to understand exactly why the stock is moving, and improve your trading tremendously. Find the next winning trade. Improve your edge, improve your trading, and gain clarity by taking advantage of the early morning action. Thank you for using Finviz.